Hey there, everybody. I have got a project that I need a little bit of help with. I've got some super simple steps, so let's get cracking. The first thing I want to mention is the link to this project will be in the description, but let me show you another way to find it. I am simply going to the Tinkercad search button, and we're going to type 50 states. If you look across the list, we want the one that says 50 states HLModTech. I came up with this project a couple of years ago where you can click on the state, adjust it to your state, and then share it back with me so that I can get all 50 states. Note during that process, you put a little star close to where you live. And so far, I've collected 49 states. The only one we're missing is Delaware. Now, I would love to have more states submitted, but friends, if you can find a way to share this with someone from Delaware, it would make my day. So let me quickly show you the steps. When you click on this and choose Copy and Tinker, you are instantly plopped in my project. The steps are right here, so you could read them, but I'm actually showing you the steps. Once again, you click on the state. You switch to your state. Once again, we are hunting for Delaware. I'm going to just switch to Idaho. Why not? Then find the tiny little star and you can move it close to where you live. And then in the note, you can tell me what the city is. You could leave me a note. You can also press the letter N and you could leave more notes. That is totally up to you. As soon as you are done, all you have left to do is share it with me. You can do that with the very cool collaborate button where you generate a link, copy that link, and then reach out and share it with me. I am HLModTech on Facebook, Instagram, Gmail, and TikTok. I am also HLTinkercad on Twitter. You do not have to share it that way, though. You can also simply do this. Return to your Tinkercad dashboard, click up on the properties, adjust the name of the project if you want. You can leave a description, but then most importantly, if you do HLMT23, I check that tag almost every day, so I'll be able to give you a reaction and spot it. Of course, you do need to make it public, prove you're not a robot, and then you do need to leave it as share alike so I can copy and tinker it. And then finally, hit Save Changes. On my end, it looks like this. I can see that a new project was shared with me. Of course, I will give it the reaction, and then I will copy and tinker it so I can add it to the puzzle. That's all there is to it. I will let you know that when you see in your notifications that I copied your project, at that point, if you want, you can delete it. Of course, friends, a huge shout out to everybody that's joined in so far. Always looking to add more stars. Friends, I do want to let you know you can always help me out every time you comment and share these videos to other locations. It is always a huge bonus to the channel. Of course, thanks for watching. Have a glorious day and keep tinkering. Friends, as I wrap up, I do want to remind you about my website, HLModTech.com. Of course, I've got a page dedicated to Tinkercad with tons of amazing categories, followed by the day one favorites, the useful starters, and the Tinkercad essentials. If you look below that, you will also find my class, Tinkercad in 20 Days. It is hosted on cadclass.org. As you can see, there's a video explains it all, and there is a coupon code, 25HLTinkercad. If you use that code, you will get 25% off any of the courses offered at cadclass.org. Of course, you can visit the site by simply clicking that link. I do also want to highlight the sweet built-in messaging tool. You can click that button, add your question, comment, or suggestion, and reach me almost instantly. Don't forget, too, the link to the Tinkercad community Discord. As you can see, there are a boatload of members, and it's a fantastic place to talk everything Tinkercad. Finally, friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, friends, you absolutely make my day if you take time to leave a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.